While one would expect an old Audi to go by unnoticed, this heavily modded Audi S2 Coupe will certainly make heads turn. For starters, you can tell it means business from the lowered ride height, the body kit, dual-tone exterior and, of course, the sound coming from its tuned R32 engine. In a straight line, it's capable of hitting 328 km per hour, 204 miles per hour, from a standstill in just 14.8 seconds, and it will go from 200 km per hour, 124 miles per hour, to 250 km per hour, 155 miles per hour, in an incredible 1.6 seconds. The problem is that it might struggle for grip before it gets up to speed. During this recent half-mile, 0.8 kilometers, run, it managed to cover the distance in 15.1 seconds at 317 km per hour, 197 miles per hour. However, it didn't exactly get off to a good start. Even so, it was quicker than this twin-turbo Lamborghini Aventador packing 1,300 horsepower. For the sake of comparison, a stock supercar like a Ferrari 488 GTB needs almost 18 seconds in order to do the half-mile run.